Hello everyone, welcome back to EducQuiz. So here we are doing the solution to exercise 2, which is actually June 2017, which goes by find the set of values of k for which the roots of the quadratic equation x squared minus kx plus 2x plus k minus 2 is equal to 0 are real and distinct. So let's start solving. We'll first copy back the expression minus kx plus 2x plus k minus 2 equal to 0. For real and distinct roots, we did that already. For real and distinct roots, we have b's. Let me write it down here. B squared minus 4ac is greater than 0. Strictly greater than 0 because it's a real and distinct. Some places you see real and different roots. That's strictly greater than 0. So if it was just real, it would have been greater than or equal to 0. So how do? You have b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, which implies what is b here? B here is part of the coefficients of x. If I rearrange this equation, I'm going to have x squared minus, I put all of the things that have x in one same bracket. I'll have minus k is the coefficient of x here, and plus 2 is the coefficient of x here. I can put x outside, plus then k minus 2 equals to 0. What I did is just I put all of the things that has x in one same bracket. I've seen now minus k has x, 2 has x, so I put it together. So that's what I did. So from here, when I do that, I can see that the coefficient of a is 1. The coefficient of x squared is 1, that is a. I can see that my b is minus k plus 2 or 2 minus k. And my c is this. So b squared minus 4ac will be equal to b squared. I have 2 minus k squared minus k minus 2. Minus k plus 2 is the same like 2 minus k. Same thing. Minus 4. A is 1. C is k minus 2. That will be equals to, when I open this bracket, I have 4 minus 4k plus k squared minus 4k plus 8. When I open this bracket, I'm going to have minus k, minus 4 times k is minus 4k, minus 4 times minus 2 is plus 8. When I open this, I'm going to have this. So that will be equal to, when I bring the like terms together, I have k squared minus 4k is minus 8k. 4 plus 8 is plus 12. So this is what I'm going to have. So to find the critical values here, or to find the factors here, I can use my formula method. So using the formula method, I have k is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all on 2a. That is equal to, my b is this, so minus, my b is minus 8, so minus b is 8. 8 plus or minus square root of b squared is 64 minus 4 times 8 times c. So 4 times 12, 36, 48. All on 2a, where a is 1, so it's all on 2. That will be equal to 8 plus or minus 64 minus 48. 64 minus 40 is 24. 24 minus 4 is 20 minus 4 again is 16. So square root of 16 is 4 on 2. So my two values of k are going to be, 8 plus 4 on 2, 8 minus 4 on 2, which implies the first value, let's call it k1, is going to be 8 plus 4, 12 divided by 2, 6. The second value, let's call it k2, is going to be 8 minus 4, 4 divided by 2, 2. Which implies, to have my factors, I'm going to have k minus 6, k minus 2. That is actually equal to this. k squared minus 8k plus 12. Normally, you're supposed to write this first before this. We are writing k squared minus 8k minus 8k plus 12. You write it first is equal to this. So you write this is equal to this. So when you have this like this, since they said b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, it means this is greater than 0. It implies k minus 6 into k minus 2 is greater than 0. So to find the value of k, what will I do? My critical values are going to be k equal to 6 and k equal to 2. These are my critical values, k6 and k2. So to find the range of values, I draw my number line where I put my two values, and I choose a number. I'll put 0. 0 is here. I choose a number here. Or you could choose a number that's in between 2 and 6, or a number that's in between 6 and positive infinity. Actually, here is positive infinity, here is negative infinity. Well, we did this topic already in inequalities. For you to know how to do these inequalities, you can go to the topic of inequalities and see how it is done. So if I choose 0, I'll put 0. I'll substitute 0 here and see the sign that it gives me. So 0 here is going to give me minus 6, that's a negative answer. I just need the sign. I don't even need the answer. So 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Minus times minus will give me a plus. So I have plus, 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 plus. And then all of the answers here are minus and all the answers here are plus. If I have minus, I'll put plus here and minus there. Okay, so I have plus, minus, and plus. So here I have greater than 0. Since I'm looking for answers that are greater than 0, it means I'm looking for this and this. So I can see that the solution set is equal to k such that k is less than 2. K is less than 2. Union, this space means union. When you see a space in between the two, you put your union always. Here we have k is greater than 6. Or you can put 6 is less than k. Let me put 6 is less than k. No, k is less than 6. If you put 6 is less than k, it's still correct, but I like it this way. So that is actually the range of values of k for which that equation have real and distinct roots. So thanks for watching the first exercise. Let's meet on exercise 2 where we're doing the correction. Then till then, keep on watching, keep on learning with us on EducQuiz.